apologize for having a passion. Welcome to Jack the Barber's styling tutorial. Start by gently brushing through dry hair with a fine comb or brush. This helps separate each strand and allows the product to make even contact. Using the Jack the Barber skull as a reference, take a small amount of product and apply heat until clear. Apply the product by working back to front, ensuring even distribution. The final step, styling. Use your fingertips to style your look. If hair doesn't stay in position, apply additional product and repeat the process. Jack the Barber.